Alright, so for this part we need the battery terminals, a motor that's got the black piece and the orange and black wires, these three yellow pieces that are they're on a card. You have to take them apart. So the first thing we're going to do is just these yellow jobs. They just fit right on there. The wires come up for the motor, and he just eases down there and like that. Okay. So the battery terminal with two places slides in there like so. Okay, we're just gonna pull that orange wire out of the way. These guys, we've got to fold that tab back on both of them. So one goes on this side. Take a pair of pliers and mash that down some more. That's what engineering's about, though. Let's try that and see if it works this time. Here we go. Alright, the only other thing we need to do here is this orange wire goes up through this channel. So we've got all three of the wires up here. We're ready to get on to the next.